It's Tuesday, April 21st. As you'll recall, we planted some things this weekend, and last night it got to 28 degrees, pretty cold, but everything's looking pretty good. I don't see any real signs of concern. This stuff's all pretty robust against the cold. None of this was covered at all, but these were. I've got some kind of cold frames that I put over this stuff, and it's all looking good. So even if we lose a few things, no reason for concern. I'm feeling pretty good about it. But now the forecast looks pretty good, so I shouldn't need the cold protection anymore. So I'm going to put the chicken wire over the tops of the beds like I always do. It's Sunday, April 26th. Just a quick update here. Got my tomatoes. You can see I moved them into bigger pots. And then on the end here, there are a couple pepper plants, 3 pepper plants. 3 more pepper plants there, and a couple of very small pepper plants. It's Friday, May 1st. Here are the nightshades, the peppers and tomatoes that I've got in the basement under the grow lights. They'll go outside, at least the tomatoes, in about 2 weeks, so I need to start hardening them off in the next week or so. Some more peppers down here. These ones are smaller, but they look okay. And you can see that on some of these, the lower leaves are dying. I noticed this last year too. I think it's just because of the light situation down here, since the light doesn't come from all directions. The lights that are underneath don't, or not the lights that are underneath, the leaves that are underneath don't get enough light, so the plant just kind of lets them go. But it's never been a problem. Even with that, all the plants have always grown well, so I'm not at all concerned about that. Okay, back outside here. It's a little bit messy because we've been working, but I want to show you what the garden looks like. Here's the west bed here. Radishes. Those 2 are arugula. More radishes. Black-seeded Simpson lettuce. Chard. Carrots that haven't come up yet. Pak choy. These are red beets, boro beets. This is our oregano. It's growing in. Kale. More boro beets. I mean, you have to look really close, but these have sprouted. Butter crunch lettuce. Boldor beets, also sprouted. Romaine lettuce. And scallions. Over here, radishes. Spinach. More radishes. Boldor beets. Carrots that have not sprouted. Butter lettuce. Kale. Scallions, also not sprouted. More Boldor beets. More Boldor beets, which apparently I did not trim. Shame on me. See how there's too many plants there? We got to cut those out so there's just one. Kohlrabi, romaine lettuce, kohlrabi, scallions that have not sprouted, and chives, which are looking really good. I won't go through all these, but this is a mixture of the 3 types of lettuces that we have: pak choy, chard. In the middle here are our peas, and those have all sprouted, so we'll build a little trellis over those. And there are actually marigolds coming in on the edges. And then finally, in our new bed, no real update on the raspberries, but hopefully we'll see some new canes coming up in the next few weeks. Okay, so here is, even though it's a bit messy, the whole picture. Looks pretty good. Things are going really well. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.